Alright, hello everybody. This is TJ Rocks 102498. Taylor, whatever. I'm tired, just woke up, and I don't feel too well. But when I woke up this morning, I realized I hadn't uploaded a video in a while, so I decided to do that. So yeah. So, there's not really been much going on lately. School, things like that, but not too much. And to be honest, I haven't done anything exciting. Yeah. It's not really much to talk about, to be honest. I'm tired. I just woke up. So yeah, I guess, oh yeah, I got a haircut, that happened. If that counts as something exciting. Meow. Anyway. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I really don't know what else I would do, say, or think in this video. I don't know. I got an invitation to do a Harlem Shake video with a few people a few days ago, but I don't know. Feeling kind of sick. Don't want to go do a Harlem Shake video and get someone sick.